Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. I have some good news for you guys, so stay tuned. With this, we're going to talk about growing through risk today and leaving the comfort zone. And then, of course, we have a worksheet at the end of it. So here we go. Here's our page. Growing through risk and the comfort zone. So in this folder, we have attached at the bottom the PowerPoint slides, the text from the book, today's PDF for the homework, and the submission place for your homework. Okay, so make sure everything you need today should be at the bottom of this page. So my video is right here that you're watching right now. Today, watch this video explaining today's content. So here is the PowerPoint if you want access to the PowerPoint of what I'm talking through in this video here. Okay, so this is a 10-minute video today because there's a video within the video, I guess, which is what you can kind of see here. So 10 minutes, if you want the slides on your own, they are right here. After that, there is a PDF called Growing Through Risks in Notability. Download it in Notability and then upload it in Schoology. All right. So this right here is your PowerPoint, if you want to go through that. Here is your homework assignment, the PDF Growing Through Risks. Here's the assignment tab for it, and then here is the text. Okay. So download this PDF and submit it in here by midnight tonight. And then the good news is tomorrow is just going to be a catch-up day. So there's not going to be any new content. We decided you guys have been doing a lot of worksheets, a lot of listening to lessons. So tomorrow is just a catch-up day. So make sure you get this turned in tonight because it is still due at midnight. But know that tomorrow it's going to be a catch-up day to turn in any late work and things that you may have. So let me know if you have questions.